Hello guys, I'm Mr.Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch less than 5 minutes, and we will draw these circles and the lines here, and we will apply the relations and dimensions. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. For creating a new part in SolidWorks, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, you have to choose a plane. So here we have 3 planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. Or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now, just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have a sketch on the front plane. And first thing first, for drawing this sketch is to start with the origin point. So here we have 2 circles. Here I choose a circle and choose 2-point circle. It means that you can draw the circle only with 2 clicks. And here you can see, as I get close to the origin point, here I move my mouse, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on the origin point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So draw 2 circles in each other. Now right click, select to exit the circle tool, or you can press the escape button on your keyboard. Now we have to draw 2 horizontal lines. So here I draw 2 horizontal lines and connect them to the circles. So you can see when I get close to the circle, the color of the circle changes to orange. It means that the coincident relation will be automatically applied to the line. So here a line, and here I draw another line. So select. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come to hide and show items. Here you can turn on the relations. You can see the green symbols, or you can turn on the dimensions if you can't see the dimensions. So let's keep on drawing. These 2 lines are horizontal, so hold the control button and choose this line and give it a horizontal relation. Now you can see the green symbol here. It means that the line is horizontal. Choose a smart dimension and give this line a dimension of 10 millimeter, and give this circle dimension of 20 millimeter. You can see the color of the circle has changed to black. It means that we can't move our circle and everything is fully fine. But these 2 lines are not fully fine because they are moving. So we have to keep drawing our sketch. Here choose a 3-point arc and connect this line to the line here, and hold the control button and choose this line and the line here and the arc here, and give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation, and choose the smart dimension. The dimension from the origin point to the center of this arc is 25 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 5 millimeter. Now we have to draw a circle. So here I draw a circle. Hold the Ctrl Z and draw another circle. It's a smaller circle. So here right click, select, and choose a smart dimension. And the dimension of the circle here is 5 millimeter. And our sketch is underdefined because these lines here are moving. So for figuring this problem out, just hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point and give it a horizontal relation. So again, choose these 2 points and give it horizontal relation. You can see the lines and the circles are not moving because of the relations. Please practice at home. Giving dimensions and relations are very, very important in SolidWorks. And if you want to be a good designer, you have to know how to draw your circles perfectly, how to draw the sketch perfectly, and make them full defined. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Thanks for watching this video.